this is it. I am in Sturgis after dark. I've never been here after dark before, so this is a first for me. So I just rode in with the GoPros mounted on the bike. So I rode up and down Main Street with them recording. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but if it turns out, those videos, that video will be on my riding and driving channel. So it won't be on this one. But anyways, let's walk up Main Street now. And there we go. That's Sturgis Main Street. I parked way down here again. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. I got to get back to, all I did was just walk back down there and back again. I didn't do anything else. Just did some video clips. Hopefully it's enough to make a video. And I got to get back to the tent and start editing this thing. Hopefully get it up by tomorrow sometime. So, all right, talk to you later. All right, I successfully made it back to camp. Back here in my tent. I just got back and figured I better do a concluding clip for this video. That was my first time going on Main Street, Sturgis after dark. All these years I've been coming here, I've never done that. You know, all I did was just walk up and down the street and took some video clips, and hopefully they turned out. But I'm going to start editing that video right now, this video right now. It's 11 p.m. so it's pretty late starts, but hopefully I should get it up tomorrow at the same time that I've been doing every morning. So, all right. So, let's see, anything else I want to say? Oh yeah, I think I already mentioned it, but I also used the GoPros and I recorded the ride up and down Main Street. I rode the motorcycle up and down recording with the GoPros, and that video will be on, if it turns out, that video will be on my riding and driving channel. I think I did mention that when I was in town, but anyways, I better mention it again, just in case you couldn't hear me or something. But anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, the third day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally.